Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you another update. This is the 1958 Volkswagen bus or transporter van. In an earlier video, we shared with you where we had this whole side, the rusted panel was off, and the guys had drilled all the spot welds out and were preparing this side for the new panel. So we're quite proud and happy that we're able to get the original panel. These are very, very difficult to find. You can see here where they've got it right exactly the way the factory did it with this seam, so where they both join, kind of like a cup into an L shape. And there's numerous spot welds, which we'll show you in a moment, that go all the way along here on the inside. So we did it just the way the factory did it. And then you'll see here along the edge, we don't have these filled in yet, and a little bit here, but you can see the fit looks exactly. So what we did is, hopefully it'll show up in the camera. Those are the original factory spot weld holes. So we drilled where we needed to and welded and replicated just like the factory did. Same thing with the fender. So now we have this complete front fender on. You'll remember in an earlier video, we showed you the nice floor, the full floor in the front. And that was, I think, a couple of videos ago. So now we have the new floor. We've got the complete new inner and outer fender. And then we have this completely new panel. And you can see here, they've started to grind some of those spots. And I just said to leave it in the video because I don't think these are going to show up very much. So this is where all of your support rails are for crash standards. And those are all the individual spot welds to replicate exactly the way the factory did it. And then you'll see here, they've got the exact factory spot welds along the bottom lip, just the way they should be. And then you have your jack post, and in behind is the outrigger. So that's a brand new jack post. And then the other one is here. So they're exactly like it was back in '58. And then we come to the back part here. You recall where we cut out the rusted and damaged one, and we have this one in, which I think we talked about before. And you can see, hopefully the lighting is decent, the inside part of that driver's side wall. So you can see all along that top rail where all the factory spot welds are, and then everywhere where they had pre-drilled before through all of the bracing, it's all exactly the way it was. So it's all welded in place, and we have all new pockets for those rails that go through. And then you can see probably from that end where they have the driver's side half of the floor is laid in and spot welded, just kind of tacked in place for now. And so it's coming along really well. That's all now completely new steel, right from that front fender on the driver's side all the way to the back tail light. So in our next video, we're going to start on that other side. We'll be on the passenger side next. We're going to remove the three-quarter panel, similar to this, but it's shorter obviously because it has the cargo doors. So this is a brief update. This is the 1958 Volkswagen bus or transporter van. And I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.